Did you know that combining yoga with progressive overload can actually improve your skin's radiance? Watch how this smart approach transforms both flexibility and complexion. Meet Sarah, a dedicated yogi who revolutionized her practice by gradually increasing stretch intensity each week. She discovered that this systematic approach not only improved her flexibility, but also enhanced blood circulation throughout her body. The increased blood flow delivered more oxygen and nutrients to her skin cells, resulting in a natural, healthy glow. When motivation wanes, Sarah visualizes these skin-enhancing benefits, imagining fresh oxygen reaching every cell. To maintain safety while advancing, she carefully monitors her body's signals. She starts each pose at 7% intensity, gradually working up to 85% over several sessions. This mindful progression ensures her muscles and joints adapt safely while maximizing the skin-boosting benefits of improved circulation. Want to know how to start this skin-enhancing yoga journey? Drop a below!